Hello, today I'm going to show you how to pair your Apple Watch to your iPhone featuring Apple Watch SE 2nd Gen. So, first of all, you need to download the Watch app on your iPhone. Just go to the App Store and type Watch. And you need to download this app. I have already downloaded it, so you need to open and click Start Pairing. And the application is going to ask you if you want to set it up for yourself or for a family member. I'm going to choose set up for myself. And as you can see, now on the Apple Watch is a cloud animation, and you need to scan it by your phone. And now your Apple Watch is paired, and you can choose to restore it the all data from the backup or set it up as a new Apple Watch. I'm going to choose set it up for the new Apple Watch. The application is going to ask you on which wrist you are going to wear your watch. We are going to choose left. And now the phone is connecting to your watch. This may take a moment, as you can see. Now the application is going to ask you if you agree the terms and conditions. You can read it. And now you need to sign for your account, and the watch is going to ask you about the analytics. If you have new Apple Watch, there is not going to ask you about the previous owner, because this is going to be a new Apple Watch. And if you had a previous owner, you will need the accounts details, like email and password, to log to your new account that is logged in on your iPhone. And as you can see right now, the application is going to ask about analytics, about the passcode. You can create a passcode, a long passcode. I'm going to choose don't add passcode. And now you can choose the size of the text. As you can see, it's also changing on the Apple Watch immediately. And you can choose bold text or normal text. Also, the phone is going to ask you about dictation, if you want to use it or if you don't. Dictation is an option that if you are going to, for example, make some notes on your Apple Watch, you can talk to it, and it will write down all the words that you set to your watch. I'm not going to use it, so I just set to no. And as you can see, the phone said to you that the settings are shared from your iPhone. Now you can adjust all the personalized fitness and health informations. Choose your date of birth, sex, height and weight. That's it. And also the application is going to ask you about your health notifications. You can turn it on or turn it off. And also you can do this later in the settings. And the app is going to ask you about taking any heart medications. I'm not taking any of these, so I will just choose the right option. And about safety, also the application is going to inform you about everything. Now the Apple Watch is synchronizing. This may take a while. As you can see, the iPhone informed you about all the accounts that was added to your watch, like has access now. Apple Watch has access to your iMessage, FaceTime, and if you don't recognize this Apple Watch, you can remove it in the settings. As you can see, all has been done, so this is it. You have connected your Apple Watch to your iPhone. Now the Apple Watch is going to guide you through all the basic usage of your Apple Watch, and this is it. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye.